Vitamin C serums, vitamin C face wash, and a lot more beauty products are in the market which are full and packed with vitamin C. And in this video, we are going to talk about the basics. This is going to be a very theoretical sort of video, very knowledgeable and information packed video where you will be learning why is it that vitamin C is a big hype these days. So I've got a very research based video for you people. Here I'll be telling you why is it that vitamin C should be used, when it should not be used, which combination of products should it be used with. So if you are interested in this sort of video, keep watching. And on that note, before we get started and we're meeting for the first time, hi guys, I'm Chitranshi and welcome to my channel. I make a lot of beauty and skincare related videos, so if you're interested in something like that, definitely subscribe to my channel. And before we proceed in the video, give this video a thumbs up. So first up, what is vitamin C? Vitamin C is basically an antioxidant which neutralizes free radicals in your skin. Vitamin C helps in skin's natural regeneration process. Basically, with time your skin loses the regeneration capacity of cell, or basically the regeneration capacity of cell slows down, which results in those fine wrinkles, dull skin, fine lines on your skin. So that is why vitamin C, which has antioxidants, it helps with those concerns. Vitamin C, when applied topically on your skin, it helps your skin to fight those free radicals. And just the way you face sun, you face skin damage, you face UV rays every day, the antioxidants present in vitamin C will help you fighting those signs. Since it's highly acidic, whenever you apply it directly over your skin, it helps the collagen and elastin production, which in turn helps you out with premature aging. So now the next question which must be arising in your mind, that this is a great ingredient, this is an amazing skin ingredient, I would like to include it, but how? So I'm going to talk about how you can include vitamin C in your skincare regime. There are a lot of face washes, there are a lot of toners, serums, creams, masks and whatnot available with vitamin C. But there has been a research and a lot of dermatologists agree that the best way of including vitamin C in your skincare regime would be to include it in the form of a serum. Which vitamin C you should include in your skincare regime? So the most common type would be ascorbic acid. That is something you should look for in the ingredient list when you go for including a vitamin C in your skincare regime. It is also commonly known as L-ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid is the best and most effective and stable way of including vitamin C in your skincare products. It penetrates a lot more layers of your skin, and when it goes deep down in your skin, it improves and it provides a lot more benefits. I am going to mention a few other vitamin C type which are actually available in skincare and which are equally fine if you're looking for something rich and packed with vitamin C. So you can look out for these ingredients also. These are very scientific names and are difficult for me to pronounce, so please understand. So I'm listing all of these ingredients right here. If you find something like this in your skincare product, then you have vitamin C in it. If you combine it with some other antioxidants like vitamin E, we obviously know vitamin E is great for skin. It makes your skin plump, it hydrates your skin a lot. So the combination of vitamin C and vitamin E is something which you should actually look for in your skincare. Vitamin C is highly acidic. Make sure that if you're starting for the first time, if you're including it for the first time in your skincare regime, you start with something with 5% concentration of vitamin C in your serums, and then you can gradually go up to 20% also if you are somebody who has a lot of dark spots, a lot of pigmentation on skin. But then that should come with the prescription of a dermatologist, of course. Another very important question in this video, which is who should avoid vitamin C? Since it's a holy grail, it's an amazing product, nobody would like to avoid vitamin C in their skincare regime. Still, there are a few people who should avoid. First, those who have extremely dry skin should try to avoid vitamin C. The second type of people who should avoid vitamin C are the ones which have extremely damaged skin, the ones whose skin is still repairing from extremely acne prone skin and all of that. If you have severe acne and if your skin is improving, if you're coming out of that condition, you should avoid using vitamin C at this point of time. Then the third type would be extremely sensitive skin type. So these three type of people, the people with these three skin types should actually avoid including high potency of vitamin C ingredients in your skincare regime because it can do harms to your skin. It can actually irritate your skin. I'm not saying that you should totally cut off vitamin C from your skincare, but then if you are interested, you should definitely seek your dermatologist's opinion. You should reach out to your dermatologist and speak to them about it. Then the next question would be, who should actually go for vitamin C in their skincare regime? I suggest that people who have dark spots, who have pigmentation, who have uneven skin tone, fine lines and wrinkles, you can go for vitamin C for sure, because it has properties which fights free radicals. It has properties which interferes with melanin. So if you have pigmentation, it fights with melanin, and which is responsible for the discoloration of your skin. So vitamin C helps with that also. So if you have pigmentation, go for it. If you have dark spots, I'm pretty sure your dermatologist must be suggesting you something which is rich in vitamin C, or which has high or huge quantity of vitamin C in it. It's really amazing to include vitamin C in your diet, but consuming a product and applying it on your skin gives totally different results, because when you apply it on your skin directly, it will give you more benefits and quick results. And adding to this point, I do not mean that you go apply and search for nimbu, for lemon in your kitchen and start applying it on your skin. Do not do that, please, because it's highly acidic. It's totally potent. I have used lemon in my lot of DIYs, but I always mix it with something or the other to reduce the effect of it, to neutralize it. So make sure that you do not do that. Never apply lemon to your bare face or to your naked face. It's not good for your skin. Now we have a section where I am going to talk about a few serums which are rich in vitamin C, which have great response from market and customers. I'm also going to list down these serums in description box below. So if in case you're interested, you can buy them online. Alright, so the very first serum which you can look out for in the market is The Ordinary. The Ordinary is a great brand. I have seen a lot of reviews from people who are using it. And if you check out the ingredient list yourself, you'll be impressed with it. It's a little expensive, not little, it's expensive. It is for something like 3,700 is the MRP, but you can get it on discount on Amazon for sure. So look out for that serum. I'm going to list it down in the description box below. The next serum on my list, which is again rich in vitamin C, would be from Dot & Key. It's cheaper as compared to The Ordinary, and it is newly launched brand in India. So it is for something like 975 MRP, if I'm not wrong. You can obviously get it on discounts. It is always on sale on Amazon, so go check it out if you would like to go for that product. And the third one which I can suggest is Sant Botanica's vitamin C serum. It's a professional vitamin C serum, so make sure you again check out the list. It's highly potent. It has got 20% of vitamin C. I do not suggest it for beginners, but if you're somebody who is already in the game for vitamin C, if you've already seen the results of vitamin C on your skin and it has suited your skin type, you can level up now and you can switch to Sant Botanica, which is 20% of vitamin C. It's fairly cheaper as compared to other brands with this concentration. It is again close to 900 something, but then you will obviously find it on sale on Amazon. I'm going to link it down in the description box below. Now if I talk about a few affordable brands for vitamin C, you have Mamaearth Skin Illuminating Serum, which is packed with high potency vitamin C. It's great for beginners because the vitamin C potency is not really high. So if you're somebody who is just starting with the chemicals and skincare regime, you can definitely go for Mamaearth. It's a very affordable option. It is priced at rupees 600 or 550 something. I'm really not sure, so please check it out yourself. It comes with squalane combination. That is again a great ingredient for hydration of your skin. And the last serum which I will suggest that if you are looking for including vitamin C in your skincare, you can definitely go for Moms & Co. That's again a great serum. I have researched about it a lot and it also has amazing results. Again, an affordable brand, an affordable product to start off with it. And yes. So another quick fact which you can use to judge your product, whether you're buying the right product or not, make sure that whenever you're buying a product which is rich in vitamin C, whenever you're buying a serum which is rich in vitamin C, make sure that the packaging which it comes in should be of dark color. Because you know why? Because vitamin C tends to break down when it is exposed to sunlight or to bright light. So a good brand will obviously make sure that the product which they are selling is packaged in a way that it is effective till it reaches out to customer. Let me give you an example here. You must have seen The Ordinary. Obviously it's the most talked about brand these days. Ordinary's the consistent packaging which they do is a normal glass bottle, but then if you see their vitamin C serum, it comes in a dark glass bottle. So that shows that vitamin C serum provided by Ordinary is great, and the Ordinary actually cares about the products which they provide to their customer. So yes, that's just a quick way of judging a brand and a product. Do your research properly, check out the ingredient list, read about it on the internet is great, you have all sort of information present on it. Read positive points about an ingredient, read negative points about it, and make a fine and fair choice at the end. So on that very note, we are towards the end of our video. I will just like to say that whenever you include, again I will just reiterate myself because vitamin C is something which is really potent, so make sure that you do a patch test whenever you include a new product in your skincare regime. That is super important. You do not want to harm your skin, right? So make sure you do a patch test. So on this note, we are going to say bye for today, and also I'm available on Instagram. This is my Instagram handle, chitranshi.me. So if you have some questions, come and DM to me, on my Instagram. You can follow me there. Before you leave this channel, this video, make sure you subscribe because I will keep bringing interesting content, and there is a lot more interesting content available on the channel, so make sure you check it out and give this video a thumbs up. That's all. I will see you again very soon in another video. Bye.